Stark, you know that's a one-way trip.
Save the rest for the turn, Jay.
Want to make this word-by-word text effect in Davinci Resolve? Let's jump in. First, go to Titles, drag the Text Plus layer onto the timeline, and then open the inspector. Go to the Shading tab, click on the fifth element, and enable it. Now set the softness to 8 for both values and adjust the glow to 0.4. Once that's done, drag the Text Plus layer to the media pool and delete it from the timeline. To create this effect, you'll need to download a plugin called AutoSubs V2. The download link is in the description, along with a video tutorial on how to install it. After installing it, go to Workspace, then Scripts, then AutoSubs V2. A window will pop up. Select the Text Plus template and video track subtitles, then scroll down a bit. You'll see an option for words per line. By default, it's set to 5, so just change it to 1. Now start the process, and it will generate the subtitles.
You know that's a one-way trip.
Save the rest for the turn, Jay.
Seth, shall I try Miss Potts?
Might as well.
Check if the words appear in sync with the character's speech. If they don't, just adjust them manually like I do. Next, drag the text layers one by one and increase their lengths. After that, reposition the words like I do.
You know that's a one-way trip.
Save the rest for...
Once that's done, add a cross dissolve to make the animation smoother. Now let's change the text color. To do that, select a text layer, go to the text section, and pick a new color. Here, I'll change it to green and copy the HTML color code. Then go to the Shading tab, click the fifth element, and paste the color code there. Now I'll repeat this process for the rest of the text.
You know that's a one-way trip.
Save the rest for the turn, Jay.
Seth.
One-way trip.
Save the rest for the turn, Jay.
Seth.
And that's it. Now we have a smooth word-by-word text animation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Davinci Resolve tutorials.